stick by you. My life on earth would be useless, can't you see? If I didn't have you to stick by me. I love you, darling, and that's no lie. Stick by me until I die. When you cry, I cry too. Stick by me, I'll stick by you. Remember my heart and my love belongs to you. Stick by me, I'll stick by you. Friends may try to hurt us, scandalize our name. No one can break us apart. You have a place in my heart. Oh yes, I love you, darling, and that's no lie. Stick by me until I die. When you cry, I cry too. Stick by me, I'll stick by you. Do not forsake me, oh my darling.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in the bushes who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping my wet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music blasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it, I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy, I got mad friends with Benzes, C-notes by the layers, true f***ing players. Jump in the Rover and come over, tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree. Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these bitches think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things that make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gon' be here for a while. I'm gon' call my crew. You gon' call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave, throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Go fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape. Conversate for a few, cause in a few we gon' do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo? Forget the telly, we just go to the crib and watch a movie in the jacuzzi, smoke L's while you do me. Imagine and Benzes giving ends to my friends and it feels stupendous. Tremendous cream, $1 and a dream. Still tote gat strapped with infrared beams. Chopping O's, smoking line optimals, money holes and clothes, all in the nose. a foolish pleasure, whatever. I had to find the buried treasure, so grams I had to measure. However, living better now, coochie sweater now, drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend.
Then one day, the boy was walking through town, and he came upon the minister's daughter. The minister's daughter was so beautiful, the most beautiful girl the boy had ever seen. And on this particular day, she looked more beautiful than ever. He had decided that he was finally going to say something to her, when she turned to him and asked him where he was going. He told her he was just walking around, and she looked deeply into his eyes and said, "I know something wonderful we can do, boy, but first you must prove that you're worthy." The boy swore he'd do whatever she asked. She said, "I want you to jump over my daddy's church. Then I'll know you're the boy I've always dreamed of." The boy walked over to the church. It was the tallest building in town. But the boy loved the beautiful minister's daughter. He focused on the very top of the church and said to himself, "I think I can, I think I can." Then he huffed and he puffed and he jumped over the church. There, on the other side of the church, was the minister's daughter, waiting for him with open arms. And the boy knew that the other thing that was missing from his life was no longer missing.
What your loving does to
I got, but baby, don't test me. Put a towel down, cause I swear it gets messy. Now I'ma tell you what I'm about to do. I'm ski all over you. Then I'ma sit back, watch you rub it in. Green Cosmo, girl, it's good for your skin. My next move, baby, beyond belief. Put it on a toothbrush, girl, brush them teeth. Hey, all that G, hey, all that G. Tell you how it is. Tell you how it is. When you want it on your belly. When you want it on your belly. Or running out to sneeze. Or running out to sneeze. All that G, hey, all that G. Hey, baby, how it is. Hey, baby, how it is. If you got good brain. If you got good brain. You can take my pop quiz. You can take my pop quiz. Hey, I met me a nasty girl. She said, hey, top quill, you insatiable. I don't know what that means, but I take the bull. Mama let me put my quarter in your slot machine. Ting-a-ling jackpot, I make you scream. Milkshake your mama like a dairy queen. Let me spurt sour cream on your taco spray. Superhead, tell Bill Ma I'm coming for you, baby. All that G, hey, all that G. Tell you how it is. Tell you how it is.